Hey, so just woke up. It's like 12 o'clock in the day. Had a bit of a sleep in because we didn't go to bed till like 4 in the morning. But it was kind of like 10 o'clock my time, my usual time. So, well, not too bad, you know. Still getting over like a little bit of jet lag, but feeling pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. So today, breakfast, kind of breakfast. We're then gonna go for a hike and meet up with the fire crew. Is gonna have a big fire jam later on tonight. So that's what's on the cards today.
The man, Krazyblaze, climbing the mountain.
We just reached basically the top of the start of the peak, so we're still gonna walk around along the top. But yeah, nice view. Kind of crazy because on one side you got a massive big city, and on the other side you got all this jungle, forest jungle. Yeah, it looks awesome. It looks amazing. Very beautiful country, very beautiful, and hell of a bloody walk. But I need to get rid of this winter gut. I've actually put on 5 kilos in 3 months of just sitting around in Estonia. So this is good. 100% humidity, 30-35 degrees, and yeah, loving life. This is amazing. Thanks, Sylvain. Awesome. Alright, so on to the rest of the journey. Crossing the peak at the moment. Pretty cool. So this is the top of the peak where you can see both sides. We'll zoom around. City. And jungle. I'm trying to keep this camera steady. Sorry about that. A little bit worn out. But yeah, really cool. So glad we come on this. Very tired. Gonna get rid of a few kilos, hopefully. Ready for summer. And yeah, now the trek down, which is gonna be a lot easier. In the tree behind us, but they disappeared before I could get the camera out. Oh, there he is. Might not be able to see him. Yeah, he just sort of disappeared again.
Huh? Family of monkey, bro.
Yeah?
There's all of them, mom, dad, things.
Yeah, I can't see anything. some. I mean, we have the rich, huge houses, like 3-4 story houses. Why do you need a house this big? You gotta bloody clean it.
I don't think so.
Maybe.
Don't know.
Man, like to have that. You can see behind me, that's where we sort of come from, that's what we went to. Bloody long walk, man, it's kind of what I needed, I guess, ready for show. And yeah, so we're gonna get a taxi back. Actually, might be going for a swim. Going for a swim. Some very nice people, very nice. We are at the fire jam. It's Youngway. Meet Youngway. Hi. He's invited us along to their fire jam. And yeah, so it's gonna be cool. Might test out my fire blowtorch. We'll see how we go. But yeah. Yeah, nice to meet you.